is your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number, I think it's the 22nd or 23rd. I think the 23rd of 365 days of self-discovery. And I know I've been on a break for a while. I've been doing some self-discovery, doing DIYs, and also a little hidden project that I'm not going to reveal just yet till it's fully out. You might know, I might even tell you about it, but I know because I've been doing a lot of stuff. I've been taking courses, I've been like building stuff with my family because we have a project that I will not tell you guys about just yet. Just stay tuned. But I know since we're back, we're writer prompts, we're doing self-discovery. I'm still doing self-discovery even off camera, so if I haven't been posting and like videos of me doing this 300 self-discovery, you guys should be doing it while I'm off. Like still keep on that trend, on that routine of finding yourself. So yeah. But today's, I think it's 23rd of self-discovery. What's today's topic of the day? Oh, before we get started on the video, I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. Don't forget to follow all my social media pages, link down in the description box below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I'm lit over there. And what else? Go follow my family's channel, thenewfamily.com, not the new family on YouTube. It's right there. I'll probably link right here or right there, whichever where I link it. And yeah, go follow me. First topic of the day is great mind. Who's someone you admire or you thought have a beautiful mind? Well, while I'm doing this, I can think I'm going to do this because I'm also doing another project at the same time. So here's a little hint, and that's all you're getting. But the person I think that has a beautiful mind is not. If I can't choose other than myself, I will say my mom. I know you're like, yeah, it's like, girl, you gotta be someone else. But that's who I think that has a beautiful mind, my mom, because she taught, like, I even told her this before. I used to like, I still do. I know that for sure. I still do worship her. Like, but who doesn't? Like, whoever kid like doesn't like admire their mom, how they do things, see how they do things, and be like who they are. Oh, but who wouldn't like want to like admire their mom? Like, that's the person they birth to. But like, I get that sometimes it's not good to worship someone else other than yourself. Like, yeah, but I just do because like if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be in here, or if it wasn't for her, then I wouldn't have been like the creative fashionista, loving stuff, doing things, making things out of nothing into into something. If it wasn't for her. Oh, hold on, I messed up real quick. Like, I just admire how like she does things, like how she gets things accomplished, achieve things, goals. Like, I want to be like that, but I'm learning that you can't like be like someone else. Like, you haven't walked a day in their shoes. You haven't been like how to explain this? You haven't like been through the same experience as they do. If you want to be like that person, then you have to go through everything they do. And believe me, honey, you ain't ready for that. Like, trying to achieve all those things that they did, currently going through, like, you don't know what someone else go through, so like you can't really wish to be exactly like that person. So I'm trying to get this through because I'm like, I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing because I don't mess this thing up. But yeah, like, you don't know what they like been, like what they've been through. Like, they could have had a hard life and stuff. So like, I'm learning not to be so admiring to other people, like have like my own little so I'm like, don't admire me, but like don't like take anything I say seriously. Like, for instance, like you don't want to like be like worshiping someone, put them above yourself, because then that's like toxic for yourself. Like you end up worshiping that person, you're forgetting yourself, and that's like the whole point of this journey is to find out yourself. And yes, today guys, my hair is different. You're like, what the heck is going on? I just got my hair did not too long ago, and I just for my first time ever crimped my hair. Like this part is my hair, but you know what that figure. But I actually crimped my hair this time. Like I am so proud of myself I did that. I think I did a pretty good job. My hair started getting frizzy because I was outside. Like heat and pressed hair like don't mix whatsoever. But yeah, but if I do admire my mom. Like I know everyone admires someone in their lives. They either be their dad, mom, brother, sister, uncle, cousin, nephew, whoever. Like, but for me, I definitely admire my mom. Like how awesome she is. I'm not saying it's not bad to admire someone, it just don't do it too much, like where you put them above yourself. I'm still learning that, so like you gotta learn with me. We're learning this together. That's what. Okay, I kinda messed up. I don't know what I did wrong. This gotta be tight. Oh, let's go through under this, right? Nope. Alright, I'm gonna put this down because I can't like do two things at once. So I'm gonna take this out. But yeah, I definitely admire my mom. I admire everyone in my family. Like I like how certain things that they trace are really good at. Like I like my mom for her willpower to get things. Well, that's fine. I admire my mom how she gets things accomplished that I like about her. Like my sister, I admire her how she's like always chill and also like not so jumping around as like me. And I like admire my brother how he's calm and be like caring to others. Like I like that. And I like my young brother, I admire him about how like there's a lot of things I like about him, like how for instance he's kind of like me but on a boy version, but he's more rowdy. Like how he how he likes to do things like have no cares and worry what other people think and just do it. I like that about him. And pretty much we all have different traits that we admire about other people. We can't be just doing that too much. Like we admire them like, oh my gosh, I gotta have everything that she's doing. Like I gotta be like there. I'll be like, nah, you can't be like worship my eyes like a doll. Like can't be like that. Like nah, bruh, nah, don't do that. Oh, my makeup does look cute today. Like I did good. Yeah, this is my first time ever doing my makeup. Kind of like different from where I was. Like I did like powders. You kind of see a little difference. Like you can see the powder right here, but you can see like how my shine. Like I'm more shiny. Let me turn this down. Yeah, I'm more shiny. I don't have my nails on. I should put press on my nails, but I'm doing some projects, so I'll do that when I finish my whole outfit. Which you're gonna see my recreates. Yeah. I just told you I do a recreate. But yeah, everyone has admiration about other people, like what they do, what they wear, how they carry themselves. Like yeah, you can like learn from them how they do stuff, but also critique it and not critique it to them, but like take it and make it your own way, like your own style, like put your own spin. Like I know I'm saying this to myself too, because like I don't like watching like I used to. Well, I'm learning now that I gotta watch other people, see how, so I can like learn how to do it myself. And like once I've finished learning their way, I come back and learn how to do it my way. Cause like I have to watch like certain videos. Like I had to watch a video how to do makeup properly than the way I did, but I know for sure, because I even learned that from my mom, like how she did makeup. I used to watch her do her makeup, and then one day when I started like getting ready to start doing her makeup, she asked like, yeah, you want me to help you do your makeup? Like yeah. And then we ended up like doing makeup on me and like teaching me how to like do the eyebrows and stuff, because that's how I learned the eyebrows, basically my whole face, but how I fully got down pat and learning the eyebrows from her. And then we carried on, kept going, like process, and like got it fully. Now I know how to do makeup. Not all the way. Like I know I'm still learning how to do makeup and stuff, but I learned like at least some of the basics how to like do it, like the eyebrows, the lips. I am pretty good with the eyeliner and mascara, because usually those are my 4 things I usually do, like eyeliner, eyebrows, lips, and mascara, and walk out the door. I don't really use foundation sometimes, but I still look good either way. But I am proud that I'm wearing growth. That's growth. But yeah, I admire everyone. Like, it's not just, I can't really pinpoint one person of how I admire their mind and beauty, but I admire everyone for how their traits and how they are. Like how I admire myself, how I usually get things done, and like let's go when it comes down to I need to start, like when we get down to business and like get everything go in motion. I'm that girl you can call, or you need me to help you critique creation. I'm that girl, or help you come over to my idea of creating something. I'm that gal. So like everyone has their different things they admire, but like it can't be like all just one person. You can admire everyone, even including mostly yourself, like how you admire yourself about certain things that you like. But like it comes one day where you like everything about yourself, even if the bad parts you consider as bad, you can love that about yourself too. So yeah, because I can tell for one thing, I did not like how before I was like so didn't like my short, like how I felt like I was short in the world, so I was insecure about that. But then later on, like after being around other people, this sounds bad, but like I'm actually not sure. I'm actually average height for the average woman to be at. It's just that for my family, they're actually a little bit taller than me, so I feel like I'm short in the house and like I feel so bad about her. But after a while, like of going out and seeing other people, I'm like, wow, I'm actually average height, so I'm not really short. But for my body figure, I can wear like certain different clothes. I can wear teens and women's up, and that's it. Like I think, yeah, I can wear teens and well, sorry, my hair, but my ear itches. But I can wear it from teens and up and women's, and like, so I'm happy about that. And then I can still wear shoes that I like, that's pretty in style. I can still wear what else? I can still wear dresses. I can wear any type of dress I like. So I'm happy about that. So like I can actually wear those average things and like be happy and comfortable with. So I end up like liking my height. But I am afraid of heights too. Like I'm scared to be on top of it and stuff. Like that is scary. Like who isn't like afraid of heights? But it comes with the territory. So like everyone's afraid of something. But I end up admiring how my height is, like how I'm average height, but not really. I'm not really short. So like I thought I was short, but I was actually average height for the other women. But in the house, I feel short. But now I'm like, I actually love it, because when they ask me to get something, like for instance, if they need something lower cabinets, I can get that, because if they can't like bend over and get it, like I can do that for them. Or if I need something on top shelf, I end up finding ways to like not gonna lie, I did find ways like how did I get up there. Like shoot, if I need that basket up top and I got a broom, I'm gonna use that basket and just pull it or knock it down, and I got it. But also it comes with like I need to learn to ask for help, so I'm learning that too, and being vulnerable to ask, or humble actually, to ask for help, or ask for help in any more different departments, like grabbing something from the counter, or help with something I don't understand, or being vulnerable, saying like I just don't know about things. So like yeah, I probably talk your guys' ear off, but that's what I was gonna say. But yeah, that's like, so that's who I basically admire. I admire pretty much everybody. I can't admire just one person. Like everyone I admire about certain things. I admire myself, my mom, my brother, sister, and everybody. But like, just don't pick, like have a certain person to pick that you're gonna admire. Just admire anyone, or yourself actually. Just admire them about how their beauty or stuff, or admire how yourself about your beauty and stuff. So yeah, then that's it for this video. I don't know much to talk about much about admiring. Like everything I admire, like I'm still learning in the process though. But yeah, So that's this video, kids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell to notify I post a video. And also, what else? Oh yeah, go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to be notified when I post a video. Oh, that was the other part. Go follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter while I'm over there. Go follow my social media pages. And go follow my family's channel, The New Family, which is going to be right here in this corner. And yeah, that's this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And see you guys in the next video. Bye, kids. Cutie out.